Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to tell if a DocuSign email is legitimate. All right. So first up, I'm going to show you, I'm going to try to send it to myself. All right. Once that's done, as you can see here, when I click on this particular email, always check the domain if it's correct. As you can see here, it says at DocuSign.net. Make sure that you see this one. If it's not at DocuSign.net domain, well, that is a scam or a fraud. As all DocuSign envelope email notifications will also include a link that directs you to their website. Like when you click on this one, you'll be redirected to the DocuSign website where you can access and review the envelope contents. Now, to ensure an envelope link is legitimate, first up, just hover your mouse onto it. Some browser will be able to change the URL right here when you hover into this button. But if not, don't worry, just right click on it and hit on inspect. And as you can see here, we have a link, okay? So it says here na4.docusign.net, which is legitimate, okay? A valid link may also include a prefix, such as this one, okay? Na4, indicating that it is one of the several valid DocuSign server destinations, okay? You also have Na2, Na3, and this one, Na4, okay? Also JP, AU, CA, EU, or a demo. That's how you verify it, okay? That's how you tell if a DocuSign email is legitimate. Once you have validated it, just go ahead and click on View Completed Document. And once done, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.